How to add a Canon printer in Windows 11. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Control Panel. In here, you'll find Hardware and Sound. Below Hardware and Sound, click on View Devices and Printers. In here, you'll find Add a Printer on top left. Click on Add a Printer and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. To make sure your printer is visible, turn on your printer. After you turn on your printer, you will find your printer in here. Simply click on your printer and press on Next, and you will be connected to your printer. That's how you add a Canon printer in Windows 11. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.